Despite everything I said in the last video, it doesn't mean you absolutely cannot write a fiction book and be successful. In fact, there are several ways that you can have a hit on your hands if you write fiction. You just need to think carefully about how to go about it. One tip to that end is to think carefully about the genre. In this regard, genre is going to work a lot like choosing a niche. Here you want to pick a subject that will give you lots of marketing options and that will have lots of fans ready to get excited about it and help you to promote it. For example, if you write a cyberpunk book, you'll find that there are whole forums where people discuss the subject and will probably be interested in reading what you've written. Likewise, you can find people who are big fans of gothic horror or of romance novels. If your book is really good, then word of mouth might be enough to help it spread. You can also use these phrases and words in your description and elsewhere on your listing in order to make your book easier to find. Likewise, it can help to think about books which are similar to yours. I'm not telling you to copy or to write books about stories that don't excite you. I wouldn't be that cynical. I'm merely saying that if your book happens to have a similarity to, say, the Da Vinci Code, then it won't hurt for you to emphasize that connection and to mention it. This way, people will be able to more quickly grasp what your book is about and whether they might like it. Again, it might be more likely to come up in searches or as a suggested similar book.